At Minkos Macs, we specialize in high-quality LCD replacement services for a wide range of Apple devices. Our team of skilled technicians ensures that each replacement is carried out with precision and care, adhering to industry standards and guidelines. Our LCD replacement process: diagnosis and consultation. We begin with a thorough diagnostic to confirm that the LCD needs replacement. Our technicians will discuss the issues you're experiencing and provide a clear explanation of the required repairs. High-quality parts. We use only high-quality, genuine LCD screens for replacements to ensure the best performance and longevity. Our parts are sourced from trusted suppliers to maintain the integrity of your Apple device. Expert installation. Our technicians are highly trained and experienced in handling delicate components. The installation process is meticulous, ensuring that the new LCD is perfectly aligned and securely installed. Testing and quality assurance. After the replacement, we perform comprehensive tests to ensure the new LCD functions correctly. We check for display clarity, touch responsiveness, and any potential issues to guarantee a flawless repair. Warranty and support. We stand by our work with a warranty on parts and labor, giving you peace of mind. Our support team is always available to assist with any post-repair questions or concerns. At Minkos Macs, your satisfaction is our priority. Whether you have a cracked screen, dead pixels, or other display issues, our LCD replacement service will restore your device to its optimal condition. Visit us or contact our customer service team to schedule your repair today.